Hey guys, Adam with Coleman's RV. We probably get asked 5 to 10 times a day how these big A-frames go up and down. So I thought I'd set it up real quick and take it down for you and show you how quickly it's done. We'll get our door open here at a 90-degree angle. Door will latch down in position. We have one wall up completely. The next wall, you want to come right here on the inside, take our second wall, and lock that in position. Now, in order to take this thing down, that went up, usually takes probably between 30 and 45 seconds. In order to take this deal down, first thing we're going to do is undo our two latches on the side roof here. First wall will drop down. We'll undo our latches here on this side. Get our door unlatched. Step right out of the coach. Shut our door. Lift the roof up. Pull the whole thing down. Usually between 30 and 45 seconds to go up and to go down. Thanks, guys.